Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make our text have a typewriter motion in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva design, and for example, I'm going to add typewriter animation to this text. If we want to make our text have a typewriter animation, we can click on the text like this, and we're going to go to the animate. Okay, select animate, and you can scroll down until you find the typewriter animation, this one. Select the typewriter, and then you can select the position, and I'm just going to select both. Okay, and you can click on the close, and this is the result. Wait, I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add typewriter motion to our tags in Canva. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.